everyone, this is Testa from the Technical Services Window here today with another tutorial video. Today we will be going over some tips for when you are shooting your footage with your phone and how to import your footage onto the computers in the editing suites. When shooting with your iPhone or Android, keep these tips in mind. Hold your phone sideways. Put your phone on airplane mode so no notifications or calls can disrupt your shoots and interviews. Stabilize your phone as much as possible by tucking your elbows in your body and getting a firm stance. When shooting an interview on your phone, get close to your subject, but not too close. You want to be close enough that you can compose a proper shot and get good audio. Because you are shooting on a phone and most likely do not have any other equipment with you, pay extra attention to the lighting in your surroundings. Make sure the strongest light is behind you so your footage is properly exposed, especially during an interview. If you are shooting an interview, you can rent out one of our new phone lavs to help you get the best audio during your interview. If you are shooting with an iPhone that has iOS 11 and up, you will need to take these extra steps to ensure you are shooting with the right video format. Go into your settings and scroll down to camera. Tap Formats and select the most compatible setting. Now that you have gotten your footage, it's time to import it onto the computer. There are two ways to import footage from your iPhone or Android. You can import footage through the cloud and through a charging wire. First, we will go over how to import your footage through Google Drive. Open up EditShare and log in with your William Paterson username and password and mount the class drives you need. After you have uploaded your footage to your drive, open up your browser. To set your download preferences in Safari, go to the top left of the screen, click on Safari, then Preferences, File Download Location, and click on Ask for Downloads. If you are using Google Drive, go to Settings, Advanced, Downloads, and change Ask Where to Download. Download your footage as you normally would to your media folder in your project drive. Your footage will now live in your class project drives. The second way to import footage is to plug in your phone into the computer through your charging wire. If you have an iPhone, plug your charging wire into your phone and plug the USB end into the computer. When you go to open up Photos, you will get an error message on the screen telling you the phone is locked. Trust the computer and unlock your phone. Once you've unlocked your phone, your pictures and videos will show up in the Photos library. Click on the clips that you want to import and import your clips. A new window will appear where you can click and drag your clips into your folder in your class drive on EditShare. When you are done, make sure to delete any footage from Photos. If you have an Android phone, plug your phone into your charging wire and plug the USB side into the computer. Because Android phones will default to being charged when plugged into a computer, you may get an error message. To transfer your files, you have to go on your phone and swipe down to the top of the screen to show notifications and settings. A new window will now appear on your screen, granting you access to all of the files on your phone. Now you can go into the folder that your clips are in and bring them into your class folder as shown. And those are some tips on shooting with your phone and importing your footage. Thanks for watching, and if you have any further questions or need any assistance, stop by the Technical Services window and a staff member will be happy to help you.